I wash my clothes on Sunday.
He.
I wash my clothes on Sunday. I try to stay calm. I try to stay calm. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. I drink enough water daily. I drink enough water daily. I clean the kitchen after cooking. I clean the kitchen after cooking. I set my alarm before sleeping. I set my alarm before sleeping. I am practicing my handwriting. I am practicing my handwriting. I am listening to English audio. I am listening to English audio. I cook dinner for myself. I cook dinner for myself. I am cleaning the window. I am cleaning the window. I am cooking rice in the kitchen. I am cooking rice in the kitchen. I am practicing speaking in front of a mirror. I am practicing speaking in front of a mirror. I can understand simple English. I can understand simple English. I am washing my water bottle. I am washing my water bottle. I check the weather before going out. I check the weather before going out. I clean my table before studying. I clean my table before studying. I save my work on the computer. I save my work on the computer. I am preparing my breakfast. I am preparing my breakfast. I am practicing my reading skills. I am practicing my reading skills. I prepare my bag at night. I prepare my bag at night. I am improving my pronunciation. I am improving my pronunciation. I finish my homework before dinner. I finish my homework before dinner. I read English books at night. I read English books at night. I clean my room every day. I clean my room every day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.